Hello, everyone. Alan from Griffin Filters here. Today, we're delving deep into the world of dust collection bags, the unsung heroes of many industries. Let's uncover why these Baghouse filters are such a vital part of your workplace. Baghouse filters trap dust and other particulates to keep your workspace clean and safe. They come in various types, such as shaker bags, reverse air bags, and pulse jet bags, each designed to cater to your specific dust collection needs. The material of these filters is just as crucial, with options like versatile polyester, high temperature resistant Nomex, and chemical resistant PTFE. These Baghouse filters are incredibly efficient, versatile, and crucial in maintaining regulatory standards for air quality. Your choice of filter can significantly impact your dust collection system's performance. When selecting a Baghouse filter, there's more to consider than just type and material. You should also factor in the nature of the dust, your operating environment, the air-to-cloth ratio, and compliance with industry and regulatory standards. Finally, don't forget the importance of maintenance for the longevity and optimal performance of your Baghouse filters. In conclusion, a high-quality Baghouse filter is essential for a clean, safe, and efficient workplace. To learn more or browse our selection of Baghouse filters, visit Griffin Filters for more information. Remember, the right filter could be the key to your company's success. Until next time, here's to a cleaner and safer working environment. Cheers!